What's going on, guys? It's Greg here, aka NYPrepper. In this video, I'm going to be installing an EMP shield in my 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD LBZ Duramax with the true Allison 1000 transmission, aka Dirty Max, or as I like to call it, Fred. So we're going to be installing this EMP shield mini. So this is a new EMP shield that they came out with, and it's basically half the size of the classic EMP shield. So you have 3 wires, super easy to install. You have your red wire, which goes to a positive battery terminal. Your black wire goes to negative battery, and then your green wire goes to a chassis ground. So where I'm gonna mount this is actually right over here. I'm gonna show you where it's gonna be. It's gonna be right over here by the coolant expansion tank. So there's my passenger side battery, and then my driver side battery. This is a Duramax, so it has 2 batteries. Just got these new Odyssey Extreme batteries. These things are monsters. Highly recommend them. They're expensive, but they're worth the investment because they last a lot longer than normal batteries, and they have a much better capacity. Plus they come with these extra terminals for accessories. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to mount this. It does come with some 3M tape if you don't want to drill or anything. I am going to drill 1 hole right there, and I'm just going to zip tie to one of these ears, and then we have an existing hole right there. We're going to zip tie the other ear, and we're also going to use the 3M tape as well. And then I just have to install a self-tapping hex bolt, and I got to just sand off the paint for the ground. So I'll show you guys how easy it is. All right, guys, want to show you what we got going on over here. So I drilled a hole, zip tied, and I also used the provided 3M tape. And then I zip tied over there through an existing hole. And then over here, you can see I sanded a portion of the body, and I tested with my multimeter to make sure that that's a good solid ground. So I just sanded a little bit off. And so now we're just gonna make our connections. I just have to drill a hole for a bolt to clamp down that terminal there, and then we'll make our connections, and that'll be it. All right, guys, wanted to show you the finished product. Here's my EMP shield. You can see the green light is on. There's my chassis ground, and I have it going to the negative and the positive. So we're pretty much done, guys. I actually stacked it right on top of my winch cables. That's what these big cables are. These are my winch cables. But super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to use my promo code NYPrepper to get 15% off your entire order at EMPshield.com. But until the next time, take care, God bless, and don't forget the 3 Ps: prepare, practice, and persevere.